So today we'll discuss the lumbar plexus. The lumbar plexus. Lumbar plexus, it is formed within the substance of the psoas major muscle. Psoas major muscle. And it is formed by the ventral rami of lumbar 1, 2, 3 and lumbar 4. Okay. So let's take all the branches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take lumbar 1, lumbar 2, lumbar 3, lumbar 4. Now lumbar 5 here, this will form, let's begin. All these are ventral ramuses, okay, ventral rami. The lumbar 4 and lumbar 5, these will fuse together. Here a branch will be given off for the lumbosacral trunk. This is the lumbosacral trunk. Lumbosacral trunk. Now this branch, lower smaller part given by the lumbar 4. Okay, this is a small division, this lumbar 4. This is called nervus furcalis. Nervus furcalis. Okay. Nervus furcalis that joins with the fifth lumbar nerve to form the lumbosacral trunk. Now if this lumbar furcalis, if it had come from lumbar 3 to form the lumbosacral trunk, then it would be a prefix type of plexus, and if it had come only from lumbar 5, it would be a postfix type. Okay, now let's move on. Now lumbar 4, we have lumbar 1, lumbar 2, lumbar 3, lumbar 4. Lumbar 1 here, it will receive a twig from the 12th thoracic nerve, thoracic spinal nerve, for the subcostal nerve. Okay, subcostal nerve. And here this forms the ilioinguinal and iliohypogastric. Ilioinguinal and iliohypogastric. And also along with this, it gets a twig from the thoracic 12 to form the genitofemoral nerve. The genitofemoral nerve. This is lumbar 1, only lumbar 1, lumbar 1 and lumbar 2. Now there's a nerve which has lumbar 2 and 3 both. But before that, we'll form the obturator nerve. It receives the ventral branches, the obturator nerve, it receives the ventral branches of the ventral rami of lumbar 2, lumbar 3 and lumbar 4. Okay. This is the obturator nerve. Obturator. Okay, lumbar 2, lumbar 3, lumbar 4. Ventral branches. Okay, ventral branches. Now, we have the lumbar 2, 3, lumbar 4. Now, we'll have another nerve that will form the that is the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve that receives lumbar 2 and lumbar 3. Okay, now lumbar 2, we had a twig from lumbar 2. Lumbar 2 will move forward and it will go down by giving two divisions, one of which will be received with the lumbar 3 to form the lumbar 2, lumbar 3. This is the lateral femoral cutaneous. This is the genitofemoral. It's iliohypogastric. This is the ilioinguinal. Okay. Now moving on, since it received a twig from the lumbar 3, here we go, we have the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve now forming the femoral nerve. Okay, forming the femoral nerve. Here we go. This is the lumbar plexus. Now let's recheck if it's correct. If this has 3, 3, 2, 3, then we're okay. Okay, so this received, there's 1, 2, 3. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 3. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. So all of these will provide 3 parts. So we have checked. That's the method of checking if you have missed one or not. Okay, with 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so first we'll form the lumbosacral trunk, then we'll move on with the ilioinguinal, then we'll form the genitofemoral, then we'll form the obturator, then form the lateral cutaneous, and ultimately we'll form the lumbar 2, 3, 4 dorsal branches femoral nerve. That's the lumbar plexus.